good evening. Welcome to the class. Yes, I'm visible now. Yes, hi everyone. Good evening, good evening. I was just reading your chat before I came over here. Yes. So, there was just a little bit of tech issues, but now all is fine and we are here, everyone. I hope that you can see me now and you can hear me clearly. Hi everyone. Hi Swati. Hi Janvi. Hi Mohammed. Hi Prakash. Hi Palak. Hi Charvi. Hi Aradhya. Good evening. Hi Shivanshi. Hi MP. Hi Sonali. Hi Gungun. Hi. Hi Harsimran. Hi Namrita. Okay. Prabhavanti. Hi. Hi Shruti. Hi Prakash. Good evening everyone. Hi Grisha. Hi Toshin. Hi Papia. How are you? Hi Swati. Hi Tripti. Good evening. Hi Anukriti. Good evening everyone. Good evening. So good to see you all of you here. Hi Sanita. So I'm sure all of you are super excited for our session today. Yes? Awesome. So in today's class, of course, we will be discussing about the harvesting, storage and animal husbandry. Right? We have so much to do today. Yes? I'm sure you are learning and I'm sure you're having so much fun when you're learning along with Aishwarya ma'am. Yes? About the crop production and its management. Awesome! Yes! I got the pen, it's there with me. Yes? Awesome, everyone. Hi, Rudrakshi. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. So, hi, everyone. Let's start our session. My name is Ankita. And in today's class, we will be discussing about the harvesting, storage, and the animal husbandry, right? These are the topics that we have today. If you are a new student to our class, welcome to your own channel of 6th, 7th, and 8th. I would request you to subscribe to the channel so that you can enjoy and can learn along with us. Awesome! Yes. Before we start our session, right, let's quickly discuss about the homework question, right? The question was really very easy. The question was, how do weed affects the growth of crops? So can you quickly write the answers here? Hi Juhi, hi. Hi Army of Purple Heart, yes. Hi Anshita. Hi Revel. Quickly everyone, quickly mention that how do weeds affect the growth, right? How they are affecting the growth of the crops. Super easy, right? They compete with them. Very good, Aradhya. Yes, they compete with the friends. Oh, sorry, not compete with the friends. Sorry, they compete with the crops, right? Very good. So let's look over here at the answers. They are the undesirable plants. What are weeds? Weeds are the undesirable plants growing along with the weeds. They are not planted by the farmers, right? Yes. Yes. Absolutely correct. Yes. And of course, they compete with the crops for the light, space and nutrition. And of course, we can easily remove the khurpi. We can easily remove the weeds with the help of khurpi. Yes. Okay. So I'm so excited to see all of you here. Now, there are a few words going here and there. I'm sorry for that. So, how we can remove the weeds? We can remove the weeds with the help of khurpi by tilling the soil and we can uproot them, right? Or, of course, we can use the weedicides. Yes? Very good. Yes, Janvi. Yes, Deepak. Very good. Awesome, everyone. So, let's see the homework rock stars, right? So I'm sure many of you have answered it, these amazing questions. So we'll be looking into the students who actually answered it. And so many of you have answered. Yes, everyone. So let's clap for our friends, our homework rock stars, right? So, John, we have answered the question. Okay, then we have Anjali. We have, yes, Anjali. Ujjwal have answered the question. Rishita, Grisha, Shri, Debyanshi, Harshita, Kavya. Yes, we have Sakshi Rekha. Harisimran, Manya, Aradhya, Gungun, Shri, Naveen, Sneha, oh, Revel, Yashasvi, Sonali, Shruti, Rabinder, and Prabhita. Yes, so many of you have answered. Yes, and Mohammed also. Yes, I can see everyone. Very good, very good. Claps for our friends, everyone. Claps for our friends. Yes. Super excited, right? Okay. So are we clear with this, right? We are clear with that. We did the answers, right? Now we had the clear understanding about, right, about the weeds and how we can remove them. So someone asked what is uprooting is. So of course when we will be tilling the soil, what will happen? The roots will be getting loose, right? And now we can easily remove them. We are removing the plants from the root itself. That is uprooting. I hope that everyone is clear, right? Awesome. I'm super excited. I can see the chat going on. And let's start everyone with the quick recall. So in the last class, we discussed about the removal of the weeds, right? And we just had discussion about there in the answer. Yes, so everyone, are we ready? Yes? Are we ready? So now he's still asking about the uprooting. So let's quickly revise or recall the weeding. So we know that in weeding, what we have, weeding our weeds are the undesirable plants that actually grow along with the crops. And they are not planted by the farmer. They are unwanted. The farmer doesn't need them. If at all the weeds are there, you know what? They will be competing with the crops. So we have to remove them. The removal process is called as the weeding and there are various methods. So first of course we have the tilling and the uprooting method where we will be tilling, right? And of course what we'll do, we will be removing it. Uprooting, taking the plants from the roots, right? So that's the first way. Then of course we can use the khurpi. We can sit, with the help of khurpi, we can remove the plant. And of course with the technology and with the new advancement, we have the weedicides. Now we can spray the weedicides on the weeds and they will get destroyed. Everyone, are we clear? All of you? Yes, awesome everyone. Very good, very good. I can see that all of you are clear with it and all of you are answering yes. Very good everyone. Now that we are clear with this, let's quickly jump onto our class and what we'll be learning today. So in today's class, we have these amazing topics with us. So in today's class, we'll be discussing about the harvesting, types of harvesting, storage challenges and animal husbandry. Everyone, I want to see how many of you are super excited for the session. Yes. Yes, I can see. Yes, Sonali. Yes, Palak. Yes, Swati. Thank you for sharing the full form of the weedicide. Very good. I can see a lot of you are super excited. Awesome, everyone. Let's start. So, let me ask you a very interesting question, right? I'm sure you must have heard about these festivals. Or if not, let me ask you. Have you heard about the festival called as Lohri? Yes, how many of you have heard about this festival which is Lohri? Yes, celebrated in the north part of the country, right? Yes, tell me. Yeah, I can see so many of you are mentioning. Then what about Gudi Padwa? Yes. So Lohri, Gudi Padwa. Then of course we have Makar Sankranti. And of course, I can see many of you are mentioning about Pongal. Absolutely correct. So these are the festivals, right? And these festivals, as all of you are mentioning, are related to the harvesting. So can I ask you a question? Why we are celebrating these festivals? What is the reason behind it? Right? It's a very easy question. You can answer me. Yes? Come on everyone. Harvesting, right? The word itself says the answer. Why are we celebrating harvesting festivals? Why we have so many festivals around it? So after a long work, right, after so much of hard work, farmers can finally enjoy once the crop is ready. Yes? Very good. I can see the answers absolutely correct, everyone. Right? So crops are ready now. And the farmers are really very happy that the crops are ready and they can harvest them. So, in that spirit, there is a celebration of amazing festivals throughout our country. So, now that we are clear that what is the reason behind it, let's learn more about the next step that we have, that is harvesting. Yes. Very good, Mohammed. Yes, Shruti. Yes, Neha. Anukriti, we cannot prevent the growth of the weeds, right? We can reduce it. It's not that weeds will not grow. Weeds will grow. But of course, by using various methods, we can stop. We can actually reduce it. Very good, very good. Very good, Anjali, Rudrakshri, yes. Palak, awesome. Yes, we'll be doing that. Very good. So everyone, are we clear with this, right? Yes, Neha, you can write your doubt in the comment section below. Very good everyone. So can we start learning about harvesting? Very quickly tell me. Yes, I can see a lot of thumbs up. Please write your doubts in the comment section below, right? Or I will be taking up your doubts in between. Definitely you can do that. Awesome. Let's start with the harvesting, everyone. Now, what we see over here, these are the farmers, right? And of course, if you look over here, the crops are ready. Yes, let me just change the color of the pen to something which is, yeah, this is visible, right? Can you see the crops? These all are the crops. They're ready, right? Now what will be happening? These will be getting harvested. So when we talk about it, there are two ways in which it occurs. Of course, crops will be pulled out of the soil, and second, of course, will be cut close to the soil. Yes? Are we clear, everyone? So Rekha, you can just let me know where are you struggling with it. I'll be able to help you. So what are we discussing about in today's class? We are discussing about the next step, right, in the agricultural practices. Till now, till the previous class, we have discussed about the weeding process, and now we are discussing about the harvesting. In harvesting, the farmer will be cutting up their crops because the crops are ready. The yield is ready, so that's why the cutting process will occur. So there could be two ways. One, of course, pura we can remove it out with the roots, and the other way is to cut close to the soil. There are two methods. So let's discuss the first one over here and the methods and the tools that are used over there. So over here, as you can see, we will be using a sickle. Can you see over here? Sickle, I'm sure you must have seen, right? Sickle. Now it can be used as a it will be used by the farmer, right? And of course it's a manual process. We will be sitting down, and of course if we have it, we'll be cutting it down like this. Very good, very good. Yes. Awesome. So of course I can see some of you are asking for the definition of it. So the definition of harvesting can be in this way that, cutting of the crops when the crops are ready is the harvesting process. Yes, very good. So Rekha, we explained it again. I hope that you got it. Very good, everyone. So with the help of sickle, we can actually cut the crops, right? That's a manual method of it. Then of course we have something like this. We have threshing and we have winnowing. Yes, I'm sure we all have seen these methods, right? And we have studied about them. Yes, Aradhya, very good. Very good, Anukriti. Yes, Shrishti. Yes, thank you so much, Grisha. Very good. Hi, Disha. Yes. Sneha, fertilizers. So, I'm not sure whether the other word that you're writing is there, right? We have insecticides, pesticides, all of these that will be attacking on the pest or on the fungicides, right, on the fungus, right? So fertilizer, of course, we all are aware that they are used to provide the extra nutrient to the plants, right? I hope, Sneha, your doubt is clear. Yes, very good. I can see the answers. Everyone, we know that there are two methods. We have threshing and we have winnowing. So let's discuss about these two. Now in threshing, what is happening? Right, can you see? The farmer have a bunch, right? A dried plant, right? The dried crops, right? And what he is doing? He is putting it on the rock like this. Yes? Over here. Now with this method, what will be happening? The seeds will be getting separated from the straw. So there's basically this part, right? Of this particular crop, topper part. So the seeds will be getting separated from it. Everyone, are we clear? Yes? Okay. So I can see there is okay, let's not get deviated. Pests are the small insect that we have, right? That will be destroying the crops. Pesticides will be there to kill the pest, small pest, small insects, right? Weedicides are for the weeds. Are we clear, everyone? I can see lots of thumbs up. Amazing. So are we clear with the threshing, right? What is it? You can put it in your own words. You can see what is happening over here, right? A simple method of separating the seed from the straw. Very good. Now the other method is winnowing. Now winnowing is really very interesting. Can you see the farmer? Right, the farmer is standing on a stool opposite on the side where the wind will blow, right? And it's a manual method. In this particular method, seeds are there and shafts are there, right? Right, of course we can see over here. Now what will be happening? Now the farmer is over there in a basket. Will have the seeds and the shaft. As the farmer will rotate it, what will happen? The wind is blowing on the opposite side. Yes, what will happen? The dry part, the lighter part will fly along with the wind, and the heavier part, the grains, right, will fall on the ground like this. And over here we have the waste material. Yes, and in this way we'll be able to have the separation of it. Yes, we have the grains over here. Yes, everyone? So this is done after the post-harvesting, right? This will be happening after the post-harvesting. Yes, everyone? So first, of course, the farmer will be sitting down. With the help of a sickle, it will be chopping up the crops. Once that's done, of course, two processes will be followed. Threshing, beating it down so that the seeds and the straw can get separated. Then, of course, with the help of winnowing, we will be separating the seeds and the chaff. Are we clear, everyone? Very good, very good. Awesome. Very good, Sunita. Yes, Neha, you're absolutely correct. That's amazing, Gungun. Yes, Anjali, by using the wind, absolutely correct. Yes, Revil, shafts are hollow. Absolutely, that's why they're very light, right? Yes. So in the market, Palak, when we get it, all of these processes have been already done. That's why. Yes, Grisha. Hi, Tia. Yes. Okay. Yes, Shruti. Yes, even my grandmother used to do this. Anukriti, yes. I can see a lot of you saying that we are clear with this. Sonali, your mother does it? Yes. Sometimes we play, right? If we have some pebbles with us, we'll be just helping up along if there's some sand into it. For cleaning also we use it sometimes if we have a heavier material and a lighter material. Very good. I can see lots of thumbs up. That just makes me super happy, everyone. So we are clear with this, right? We are clear with the traditional part. But apart from that, there are some of the important points we have to discuss. Now, after these methods, we always talk about one thing, the disadvantages or advantages of that particular method. So, in the case of the traditional method, we know that there are few disadvantages. Of course, there is a high labor cost, right? There's a lot of labor cost. There is a requirement. There's a requirement of the labor. So, it's a time-consuming process. Skilled labor is required, right? You and I can't go into a farm and start cutting. We might not be able to understand the point from where we have to cut the crop, and we might, waste it. So, for this process, we need a skilled labor. Again, it is more time consuming. Then, of course, grains will be getting damaged. Beating is happening, right? We are using the wind. Sometimes what will happen? seeds will flow here and there. There are a lot of wastage of the grains also. So these are the time consuming methods, skill consuming methods, right? We need skilled labor, and of course there is a wastage of the grains also. So there are three disadvantages of the traditional methods of harvesting. Are we clear? Yes? Everyone, are we clear? Three easiest steps, right? High cost labors, we need skilled labor, and of course there's a wastage of grain. Yes. Very good, Anjali. Yes, sometimes the stone can also get mixed with the grains, right? Very good. Understand? Awesome. Now that we are clear with traditional method, let's jump into the industrial method or the modern technology. Nowadays, the farmer uses the harvester. Let's see how a harvester is working, right? It just goes and it cuts the crop very close to the soil. It is not removing the plants directly with the roots, but it will be cutting, right? If you can see, it is actually cutting the crops very close to the soil. Yes, and that is the combined harvester. So it is doing two things. One, of course, it is cutting, right? And the other thing is throwing up the grains into a tractor where it can get stored like this. Yes, right? Now we can see like this. So of course, we have the combined harvester. It will be collecting, it will be cutting down the crops, and all of the seeds will be going into a pipe, and of course from there it will be going into a container where of course it is getting stored. Yes, Neha, technology is developing. Very good, Shruti. Yes, Rudrakshi. Thank you, Hari Arjun. Hari Anuj, sorry. Yes, Rahul. You want to say something? If you have doubt, please write it there. Harvester or a thresher is a combined machine. Very good, everyone. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Palak, it's a very interesting method. Yes, but Swati, what happens that the farmer will be removing the weeds before the harvesting itself. So the chances of that happening is very less. Awesome. Everyone, are we clear? Yes, so as of now, we have discussed about the harvesting, traditional methods and the modern methods. Are we clear, everyone? It's okay, Papia. No issues. Yes. Yes, Shruti. Yes, science is changing everything. Absolutely. Sneha will be having that session also. First, we'll be finishing off the chapter, and of course, we will be having those amazing sessions. Awesome, I can see lots of thumbs up. So now it's time for me to challenge you, and let's see if you're paying attention. And let's try a question out. The question is, which method is defined as the separation of chaff from grains? Easy, easy. We're talking about the chaff and grains. Come on, everyone. Yes, I'm asking questions over here. So in the options, we have weeding, threshing, harvesting, or winnowing. Very good, I can see the answers already. The correct answer is winnowing, right? The separation of the chaff from the grains is called as winnowing. Very good, everyone. A smiley for all of us. Nice. Happy kids and happy teacher. Awesome. Now that we're done with this question, we will be moving ahead to the next step in the agricultural practices. And that's the last step we have, right? We started with the preparation of soil, sowing, then addition of the nutrition, irrigation, removal of weeds and harvesting. And now finally we are on the storage. Now, what is storage? Storing things, right? Or storing grains. That we'll be learning over here. So when we talk about the storage, we have two ways to store things, right? I'm sure we have seen these sacks, right? At our home also, we have those jute bags in which we have the grains, right? Either the rice or the wheat. I'm sure you must have seen this in the market. If you go to a grocery store, right, you will be able to see that there are sacks, jute bags into which we have those grains, pulses, etc. Yes? Very good, I can see. Yes, storing for a very long time. Yes, absolutely. I can see many of you are saying you have seen it. Awesome, everyone. Very good. Yes, Palak, storage is really very important. So you have seen it. Yes, 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 absolutely correct. Apart from that, we have these metal bins, right? The small tin bins, metal bins that we have at our home. So these are the storage things, right? We have grains can be either stored in the jute bags or in the metallic beans like this. But you know what? If we stored something, there are chances of it getting spoiled. I'm sure at your home you must have seen, right? Small rats will come. Sometimes cockroaches will come or any insect will come. Sometime when you're opening a box of dal, you can see tiny, very tiny, small insects. Yes. Awesome. Right, so let's quickly discuss about that. We have these storage challenges, right? So of course, we have the storage challenges, we have the rats. If we have the grains around it, what will happen? The rats will come and eat. Yes, they like to eat the grains, right? Like us. So they will be coming there. Apart from that, we have the microorganism and insect growth that will happen to the crops if not the proper care is taken care of it. Very good, Sunita. And because of these reasons only, we will be using the neem leaf for the protection of these crops. We will be adding the neem leaf. How many of you have seen neem leaves at your home? I have. Yes? It's a very easiest way to do that, right? Yes, Mohammed. Yes, you're absolutely correct. These are the ways in which we can store grains. Yes, I can see a lot of me. Rahul will be discussing about it. Just give me 2 minutes. Very good. I have, right? Even I have. So these are a very good way to actually protect the grains. By adding the neem leaf, what will happen? It's not taste good, and of course, it will be keeping away the insects, microorganisms, and the rats also. Yes? Very good. So that's how the neem is helping saving our grains. Then, of course, there's another trouble that can happen. We know that our grains has water content, right? And if there's water inside them, they can easily get spoiled, right? I'm sure you must have seen, right? If there's a moisture in some of the food, right? I'm sure you must have seen that it will get rot very easily. Similar thing will happen to the grains if they have water inside them. For that, what they do? Absolutely correct, Papia. Fungus growth will occur. Yes, that is a reason, Gungun. You're absolutely correct. Very good, Sunita. Yes, we will be we'll be taking the help of a sun and we'll be keeping the grains in the sun for sun drying, right? As they are in the sun, the moisture inside them will be getting up dry and then we can easily store them. Very good, Anzar. Yes, Mohammed. Yeah. Bread mold. Yes, it's a fungi which easily grow. Very good. Very good, Namrata. Yes, Anjali. Absolutely correct. So we are clear, right? So there are 3 storage challenges. First, of course, what we have, the rats and microorganisms and insect. To fight them, we will be using the neem leaves. And then, of course, we have the moisture which is there in the grains. To fight that, we will be using a simple method of sun drying. Yes? Very good. Very good. Once that is done, now let's talk about the storage, right? Now we can easily store them in the grannies, right? Into big sacks, into a godown, right? Into a big place where we can just stack all our grains. Yes, grannies. Right, everyone? Very good, Papia. Yes, Anjali. Yes, Hari Arjun. Yes, Swati. We can use pesticides, but of course, at this particular point, the farmer doesn't feel comfortable and good to use the pesticides. Yes, very good. In cold temperature. Yes, Sunita. Very good. Yes, Mohammed. So, apart from that, we have another method, and I think few of you were asking about this, right? Cellulose, right? So, these will be the huge container, very big container, and we can add the grains into it, right? And these grains will be safe. Very good. So, this is the way the farmer can do the storage, right? And of course, these methods, cellulose method, are usually done on a very large scale, right? Where there's a huge production of the wheat and rice and other different grains and the crops, will be using this particular method. Very good. Yes. Awesome. So are we clear, everyone? Are we clear? Awesome. Yes, to get back you back. There are few talkative kids here, right? Awesome, everyone. I can see many of you are saying yes, yes, very good, everyone. So let's check our knowledge with this particular question. The question is, which of the following is not regarded as a storage challenge? We can easily store, right? Without any challenge. The question is, in the options we have moisture, microorganism, temperature, and rodents, the rats, right? Right? Which of these following is not regarded as a storage challenges? We have discussed about 3 storage challenges, right? Yes? I can see the answers. I can see the answers. Very good. So we have discussed about the rats, microorganism, and moisture, right? Very good, everyone. I can see the 3 and C's you're writing over here. The correct answer is temperature. Temperature is not regarded as the storage challenge. Very good, everyone. Claps for all of us. Claps for us. We are half an hour into the session and we are doing super amazing. So I hope that we all are clear about the harvesting and about the storage. Yes? Very good. Can we have the claps or a thumbs up or a smiley? Very good. Very good, Kavya, Rudrakshi, Sunita, Anjali, Anukriti. Yes, good morning, we're learning that. Palak, Namrata. Yes, Rahul, cellulose we have just on, these are the huge containers that actually help in the storage of the grains. Very good. Awesome. Now that we are clear with this, let's move to the next, right? So till now we had a discussion about that plants are the source of food, right? They give us the food. But apart from that, we have other. We have 2 types, right? We have plants and we have animals as a source of food. Till now, we were discussing about the plants, right? Now, we will be discussing about the animals. So, let's discuss about that. We know that animals gives us egg, meat, fishes, of course, and milk. These are a few products that we get, right? And of course, we know that animals are a good source of food, right? So, we will be discussing over here. Awesome. Right? And I can see the answers already. Now we will be discussing about the animal husbandry. Now animal husbandry is a branch of agriculture where the taking care of the animals, rearing of the animals is done in a larger scale, right? And of course, the various products are used by us, right? And that is nothing but the animal husbandry. Are we clear with this? Yes, we provide the shelter to them. We care about them, right? In a larger scale. Absolutely correct. Yes. Even I am vegetarian, right? So, again, these all are the food for the various organisms. Awesome. Yes, we'll be learning about the poultry farming. Yes. So, I can see there's a doubt over here. Let me just explain it. So, in animal husbandry, what will be happening? There will be the rearing and the caring, right? Providing the shelter to the animals on a larger scale. Yes, absolutely correct. Namrata, are we clear? I've just given you the definition over here. We have the definition of the animal husbandry is a branch of agriculture in which animals are reared in a larger scale. And from these animals, the products will be taken. Yes, Shruti will be having that. Yes. Yes, Swati, please write your doubt. Awesome. I can see. Okay, are we clear? Yes. Thank you, Hari Arjun. Hari Anuj. Yes. Now let's discuss about the very interesting poultry farming as you're mentioning over here. Yes. So in poultry farming, of course, we will see the rearing of the hens. Can you see over here? Right? And of course, these will be providing with the, they will be provided with the care, right? The food, and of course, will be taking, they will have the proper, every, hygiene will be given, will be taken proper care of it. Yes. And from here, we will be getting the eggs and the meat. Right? So in the poultry farming, what we should understand, it's the rearing, right? Taking caring of the animals, growing of these animals, like hen over here, and of course on a very large scale, and they will be giving the product like eggs and the meat. Very good. So that is the poultry farming. Then of course we have the cattle farming. Yes. Very good, Gungun. Yes, they will be giving us this. They provide us the egg. Absolutely. Yes, Muhammad. Yes. Yes, Rudrakshi. Very good, Shruti. Very good. Yes, they will give us the eggs. Now over here we have the cattle farming. Now of course we know that cattle are grown, right? And I'm sure you must have seen the growth of the cattle right around your areas. I have seen a lot of cattle farms. What will happen? The caretaker will be taking care of these animals, and of course these animals will be giving us the milk, and of course from there we get the cheese, curd, etc. Okay, Anukriti will do that. I have taken that note. Yes. Very good. They will be giving us the milk, and of course from that we have various different products. Very good. Right? So that's about the cattle farming and poultry. Now let's move to the fishery. Now fish again is a very important source of food, right? Especially for those people who live in the coastal region, right? So there the mode of, or the best source of food is the fish. And fishes provide a good amount of the proteins and other important nutrients that are required for the proper growth, right? Absolutely correct. Apart from this fishery, right, I'm sure you must have heard about the silkworm farming, right? Sericulture, apiculture, which we do for the honeybees to obtain the honey. Yes? Yes, Swati, you can write it out over here. Very good, Shruti. Yes, pisciculture revel for fishes. Very good. Very good, Anjali. Very good, Sneha. Sericulture is for the silkworm. Yes, and yes, very good. Okay, are we clear with this, everyone? So we have discussed about the animal farming, right? Animal husbandry. Okay. So Swati, your doubt is very valid. You're asking that the answer was temperature, right? If you go back to the question was, what are the three challenges, right? In the discussion part, we had three challenges, right? The temperature is not a challenge for the crops, right? When the temperature is really very high or really very low, that is not directly impacting our crops, right? It's not the direct factor. It's not a challenge. Yes, three challenges important are the rodents, the animals, microorganisms, and the moisture. Very good, everyone. Let's quickly take up a question and let's see how much we have understood from this particular concept. The question is, which of the following is not a type of the animal husbandry? Yes, apiculture, poultry, agriculture, and the dairy industry. Super easy question, right? Yes. So again, temperature will not be leading to the growth of the microorganisms, right? If the moisture is there, then of course we will have the growth. Very good. I can see the answers. Which of this is not a type of the animal husbandry? Of course, it's agriculture, right? Very good. It's the agriculture. So apiculture, of course, will be the animal husbandry that involves in apiculture. Of course, the example of one of is the apiculture, and we have the honeybee, right? Poultry, we have the hen, chicken, and in dairy industries, we have the cow and the buffalo. Yes. So Nali, you're confused with agriculture and dairy. So agriculture, we are focusing on the, right? In agriculture, what we have? Now, in agriculture, we have the plants and the animals all together, right? When we just say agriculture, You remember? And of course in dairy we are specifically talking about the milk products, right? That from where we'll be getting the milk products. Yes, Anukriti, sericulture harms earthworm. Is it? Think about it. Very good, everyone. Okay, are we clear with this, everyone? Are we clear? Yes, quickly give me a thumbs up. Awesome, it's so good to see all of you here, and very, very good. Okay, do we have any doubt? Okay, Namrata, you're asking what is the meaning of rearing. So, in a simple way, caring for the animals till the time they are fully grown is called as the rearing. Okay? Namrata, I hope I have answered your question. Yes, we will be having Menti, but not today, in the upcoming session for sure. Okay, I'll answer that question, Palak, in the end. Rodent means of small animals, right? We usually have the different varieties of this. Rat is one of the examples that we'll remember. Awesome! Awesome. Now that we are over here, let's quickly move ahead to the summary. We are done, everyone. Such an amazing session, right? And we are done with our today's class. Now, let's quickly summarize what is harvesting. We know that harvesting is a process of cutting off the matured crops. We can do it by the two methods, manual method and with the help of the modern methods or industrial methods. In manual methods, we have threshing and winnowing, and in industrial method, we have the harvesting. Then, of course, we had a discussion about the storage of the crops, right? Storage of the crops can be done by various of these methods, right? And of course, we have to remember that there are few challenges, right, that can actually cause damage to our crops like rats, insect, microorganism and the moisture. We have to assure that we are protecting our grains properly. And then, of course, we had a discussion about the animal husbandry, right? In that, we discussed about the cattle farming, poultry and fishery. Yes? Awesome! Are we clear, everyone? Yes? So that's all that we have in today's class. I hope that you've enjoyed our class, and in the next class when you will be coming on 3rd of May, we will be having an NCERT sprint. We will be having a lot of questions and we will have a lot amazing discussions around it. Yes, very good. So, over here we have, right? Interesting. And you're asking about the homework question. Okay. Now the homework question, let me just go ahead and write it over here. What is the homework question, everyone? So the homework question is about, think about that why neem leaves are added to grains, right? This is a very easy question, but you have to think, right? You have to think about this. So over here we have the homework question. Write the answer in the comment section below and we'll be discussing in the next class, right? It's a very easy question. Why neem leaves are added to the grains? Easy, right? Or to the crops. With that, everyone, we are done. It's your channel, right? 6 to 8. We have got you covered. Hit the like button for the video, right? It really means a lot to us. It's just a way of you showing love towards your video. Yes? Share with your friends and subscribe to our channel, now to your channel, so that you can have amazing learning with us. And you can try a free class trial link, which is in the description box below. Yes, you're already subscribed. That's amazing. Okay, I'm from Rajasthan. Okay, I can see. If you have any doubt, you can write over here. Yes, yes, yes. I can see there was one student who was asking about the doubt. I hope you have enjoyed the session, everyone. Yes? Sneha, please write your doubt. Okay, okay. Anukriti, the question is, why neem leaves are added to grains? What is the reason behind that? Yeah, my handwriting is not as good as Aishwarya's, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Awesome. No, Sneha, they are not. And Pesticide is not even a word. Yes. Fertilizers, of course, we know that they are very important. They are kind of amazing nutrient that we can add, right, for the growth of the plant. Yes. Okay. On that note, everyone, take care of yourself. Lots of love from my side. We will be meeting very soon, right? Till that time, keep on learning and keep yourself safe. Lots of love. Bye-bye, everyone. Hearts.